Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. I'm your co-host Louis, and today is another video on Orion Protocol.
Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space, and as Louis said, we are going to be talking about the cryptocurrency called Orion, and this is just going to be an update video for you guys. So yeah, stay tuned, and this isn't financial advice.
So if we look all the way down to like one of our first videos, 7 months ago we had a video called Why Coty and ORN are going to explode, and back then Coty was around 10 cents or so around there, and now it's 60, 70 cents, and ORN has just been consolidating. ORN we haven't yet seen a move yet, but these two coins are very closely tied together, and I believe ORN is going to do a bigger move than Coty did from 3 cents, which is when I first got into 60, 70 cents. I believe it will be a bigger than a 20x for ORN. And I believe the final pricing for Orion Protocol will be $1,200. Not anytime soon, but that will be the final pricing for it. That's my opinion, and Orion is going to make millionaires. Not financial advice, just my opinion. But yeah, let's get straight into the video. So as you can see here, just a rundown. Yesterday we had a really good day. It was really good. We thought it was all going to break out. We went to $8.30. But I believe once we break that $9 mark, or we bottom out at the 8, then we're ready to get going. But already this is positive movements comparing to where we've been in the last 3 months. It's just been pretty much consolidation. We went up to a brief $12 or so, but that didn't happen since, and it was just consolidation. But I believe in this coming weeks or so, it could happen, as we were gonna have a breakout recently, but then Bitcoin crashed and it messed it up for us. So now we're having another chance for ORN to break out here. So I think around now is the last time to be buying at these kind of prices for ORN, and next will be $12 or so. Just my opinion, but let's get into the analysis.
Okay, so as you guys can see from this page, what we can see, this is the Orion Protocol Binance chart on the daily, and some guy on TradingView kind of published this chart for us, and it basically shows us that Orion has been consolidating for quite a while, and after a consolidation, we do tend to expect an expansion. And as you can see right here, he has used indicators as well. I'm not entirely sure which one he's used, but it looks like he's using the moving average, MACD divergence. So as you guys can see, there may be a potential uptrend with the MACD, and because there's a consolidation, a lot of people are indicating that the Orion Protocol can start to pump within the next upcoming days, and from this chart we can kind of see that happening. The first pump, he is expecting it to reach around from $8.50 or $8 and 0.006, which is the current price. He's expecting it to reach around $16, which will be around 108%, 0.24 to 108.24%. And that would bring the price up all the way to $16.755. And the next pump that he's expecting it to reach for higher price is 160%, bringing the price all the way potentially up to $21. And this is kind of hypothetical. It can reach them prices. However, this is just like an expectation of what he may expect to see happen, but it doesn't have to play out exactly the same way as what he's showing it to us. So yeah, keep that in mind, and be patient and see how this kind of plays out within the next upcoming days, because it may go all the way to $16 or break out all the way to $21, because we've seen a breakout recently from what Louis showed us in the chart. However, it may not be enough in order for us to actually reach all-time high or the high prices.
So a coin that is really similar for me is eGold. So if we have a look at eGold, because around when that was $20 or so, it's very similar for me with ORN, with what the price is. And if we look at the market cap, that's $6.2 billion, and with ORN's market cap, it is. So as you can see, Orion Protocol is only 251 million, and the eGold or Elrond, whatever you want to call it, I call it eGold, is $6.2 billion. So think about what the price action with that would be when this Elrond was only what $20 not long ago at all. It was literally $25 a year ago, with a very small market cap. The market cap was only 500 million, so less than what the market cap is now. And look where Elrond went to in the space of a year. Now, I really see this happening with ORN. It has better fundamentals in my opinion. The things ORN are doing is so unique. with aggregating every CEX and DEX into one place, minimal fees, best prices, decentralized, may I also add, and the fact that you are literally responsible for your own money and nothing else. If you lose it, it's you. It's all on you. And I just love that. There's no third party involved or anything like that. But if we look at the things that they're now announcing and bringing out, so as you can see, they're also moving into NFT aggregating. So they're aggregating every major NFT marketplace into the Orion protocol. So it's not just everyday coins that you can purchase. It's also these NFTs that will be they're aggregating everything together, which is just insane. It really is an insane project. It's at least $1 billion market cap project, at least minimum. So that's at least a 5x from there, 4x from there, which would bring us to $32. So that would be a very nice price action as well. So that is it for this video. If you have enjoyed, please make sure you press that like button and also press that red subscribe button. We really appreciate the growth recently. It's been really good. And yeah, hopefully we can keep that going. And yeah, have a lovely rest of your day. Thank you.